Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a table of content for your Wix blog post. So there was a method that was existent where you need to do coding here, such as this, where you need to find the viewer ID and the href, and you need to use inspector mode to do this as well. And this method still works if you'd like to do this method. But right now, there is a much easier method that you can do. So right now, I have a mock blog post here that I got, and it's about sustainable packaging solution for online shopping, right? The couple of things I want to put on the table of contents is these headings. So there's understanding sustainable packaging, biodegradable materials, recyclable packaging, compostable packaging, minimalist packaging, reusable packaging, plant-based ink, sustainable shipping solutions, engaging consumers in sustainability, future trends in sustainable packaging, taking action for sustainability, and then that's that. The way we're going to do this, first off, at the very top, I'm going to type table of contents, right? I'll make it a little bit bigger as well. There you go. Gonna do this. Now I'm going to give it a list. I'm going to make it a list like this. And first off, I'm going to find understanding sustainable packaging. I'm going to copy and paste it. Gonna paste this here. And I'm going to make this a little smaller because this is supposed to be a table of contents, right? Once that's done, you just want to highlight this and you want to click on this link. On the link, don't go on the web address, but instead go to section. On section here, you see, there's automatically all of your section categorized. And as the heading, you'll see it has a logo, H2, and it's understanding sustainable packaging. So since this one is understanding sustainable packaging and we want to lead it to here, we just have to click this and click on save. And now it's linked. Now, if I click on this, go to link, you'll see that it'll scroll down. Give it a second. Sometimes it takes a bit. There you go. Okay, it scroll down just like that. Now let's go make the other ones. Let's enter. And after understandable sustainable packaging, it's gonna be biodegradable materials, right? Going to type that in. Biodegradable materials, right? Same process as before. Highlight it. Link. Section. Find biodegradable materials. There it is. Click on save. Now let's test. Go to link. There you go. Scrolls on the way here. Let's do one more for example sake. Recyclable packaging. Recyclable packaging like that. Highlight it. Link. Section. Find recyclable packaging. Click on it. Click on save. Go to link. If it sometimes head to the wrong link, click on remove link and then redo it. Link, section, recyclable link, packaging. Click on save, go to link. There you go, recyclable packaging.